Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: device OS, reachable phone number, and a recovery email. Once done, open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac and tap Sign into your iPhone or create Apple ID. Enter your name, birth date, and the email you want to use. You can create a new iCloud email here if needed. Make sure to pick a strong password with numbers and symbols because Apple enforces complexity for security and future purchases. After entering your account details, Apple asks for verification to confirm your identity. You will receive a one-time code by SMS or phone call. Enter it when prompted. Next, enable two-factor authentication. This ties trusted devices to your account and prevents unauthorized access. Add a recovery email and set security questions because these help if you lose access. Once verification finishes, you can optionally add a payment method for App Store and subscriptions. Do this after your ID is fully validated. To finish, sign into iCloud services and choose what to sync. Contacts, photos, and backups are critical for recovery. Review privacy and location settings, then confirm your payment and shipping info if relevant. If verification email or SMS does not arrive, resend the code and check spam or block numbers. Alternatively, use your recovery email. If account creation is blocked, check Apple system status, restart the device, and temporarily disable VPN or strict firewalls. These often prevent server connections and stop completion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.